Now I'm going to take the bottom section of the clarinet, take it apart. I started overhauling clarinets, I believe it was 1974, 1975, somewhere around there. I do clarinets, oboes, flutes, and piccolos. Mr. Birdie does the saxophones, trumpets. We mainly do woodwinds now. I also, on the bottom section, I like to start with the lower end of the key, and the pivot screws are not always the same. This way I know that it'll go back the same, and the same pivot screws will always be going back in the proper place. That one was a little tight. And we just about have our clarinet torn apart. Okay, there we go. Now, if you'll notice, I've got all the, this is how the screws are lined up. I'll just simply put it back together, right the opposite, starting with the lower section. And next segment, we'll take out the pads and remove the tenon corks and key corks. Add us to your favorites. This is Mrs. Birdie signing out. Thanks.